To add an end screen on YouTube is fairly simple. Start by navigating to YouTube Studio and then go to your content and select your draft video. From here, you're going to go ahead and select video elements, and then you should see end screen. So you first need to ensure that your video is long enough to have the end screen content available. So it needs to be 25 seconds or longer. So if you don't see this in bold, then you can't add end screens to that video. But if you do have a video that is longer than 25 seconds, you can be able to add the end screens. So once you can add the end screens, so all you need to do is simply select what you want to add. Now you can choose to add individual elements, or you can choose one of the pre-made templates that are available. And then as you go along, you can customize where you want the end screens to appear, what position you're going to place them in, and all of that stuff. And then once you've successfully finished with your customizations, all you need to do is simply select save. Once you do that, the end screens will be saved to that specific video. So now when you go ahead and watch it, you should be able to see the end screens appearing on your video. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.